Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Hello James, how are you doing in England?
Don't know what you're missing, mate. Have a good look.
This is Sam. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hello.
Now then, where are we? I'm in my hotel in Khon Kaen, which, it's alright, don't get me wrong, but they don't speak 1 ounce of English. Right, I've been out. No taxis, no 7-Elevens, but I've found a Lotus around the corner, but I bought this from a little ma and pa shop. I'll give up the ghost tonight. It's going dark. Sorry, Hab. Hello, now. Ah. Okay. I don't know what he's saying. I'll give up the ghost. I'm tired. This is a little hotel area where I'm staying. I'm going to take a left down here, like a little market street, and there's a Lotus. So I'm going to get a few supplies, put them in my room, and it's nice and cool. And then the lady's going to get me a taxi into the centre of Khon Kaen. So I can explore. I might as well stay out all day. There's a stranger in town, they're all saying. There's a stranger in town. Blondie. He's got blonde hair. It's like M&M. So this is where I came yesterday. There's a Lotus somewhere. This little street here, selling all the, like the eggs and everything. Saudi carp. I'll start at the end and walk down. It's like a little rural community. Ah, there's a 7 right on the end. Now I walked past this yesterday. Couldn't find it, and it was there all along. So that's alright there being a 7. So I'll go in a minute and get some stuff. Quite a busy little area. A few little restaurants. Street food vendors. So I'll go back this way to the end, because I think there's a Lotus up here. Yeah, they don't seem to, they look at you but they don't seem to be gesticulating as friendly. Maybe it's just, I don't know, I don't feel threatening or anything, it's just they completely blank you. Somebody cap. Completely blanked. Chicken and everything. little street stalls. Saudi carp. Oh, what is this? I don't know why, are they shy? Do they not like farangs? Or is it just me? Muang. Hello. So all your little street stalls, they're all selling basically just food, different stuff, like fish and that, shrimp, gung, veg. The shoe lady. A little food stall there, it's quite busy, must be good. Frog! Frog! Alright mate? Alright, yeah. Oh, pla na? Pla. And the alright? Pla. Alright mate? Okay, cup on. Thank you. Sawadee krap. She was friendly and him. She said he could speak Thai a little bit. Sawadee krap. Kun chưa ai krap? Nói. Chu Owen. Owen, yeah. Ben Khon Angrit. Yeah, Thai. Manchester. You know? Rumai? Manchester? Yeah. Football, yeah. Manchester City. Owen. Alright na? Park? Michael Jai. Michael Jai. Park? Bit of chaos for this car. So it reversed all the way up there, why didn't you just go forward that way? Huh? Why didn't you just go forward? Yeah, they're alright, friendly. They're probably, you know, seeing an international vlogger walking past them. That's what it'll be. God, it's that famous vlogger. He's walking along here. So this is like a second-hand store, selling all sorts of stuff. Yeah. Right, I'm not going to go down there. I'm going to go to 7-Eleven, get myself a few snacks, and get the lady to get me a taxi and head into Khon Kaen. Tamai kun chop manu.
Chop.
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 Pom chop Manchester City.
Okay.
Rumai.
Couple.
Kapom. Thank you. Thank you.
ได้3ถ้วยแน่แมนซิตี้
Man City, yeah, number one. Number one now, yeah.
โอเค3ถ้วย3ถ้วย
Yeah. Okay. Kapom. Kapom. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. So, bought myself a pair of socks because I've only got, they've gone missing. I think they're only little, they get lost in laundry. Yeah, they're friendly enough here. Different veg, phok tong. eating. I don't know what they're like, some sort of roots and stuff. Fuck tong na?
ฟักทองชิ้นละ
Chai?
20 ค่ะ
20. And hom hoi ai?
10 บาทค่ะ
Ah, and garlic.
กระเทียม
Gatiam, Manau?
มะนาวค่ะ
Makurted?
ใช่
Mairu?
ไอ้กระชายค่ะ
Gachai. Aroi mai?
อร่อย
Aroi ma. Okay, kapom. An egg, na?
ไข่
Kai?
เป็ด
Pet?
อ่า
Pet?
ไข่
Duck?
เป็ดค่ะ
Ah, okay, thank you. Thank you.
ค่ะ
Okay, bye. Yeah. Sorry, Cap. Right, so this is the route. The reception lady there. And a little area, you could probably have breakfast. And up to my room. Nice and cool. Nice and cool draft blowing through. I've had to come back anyway because I forgot my batteries from the GoPro. Look, I left them there. Owen, you're a fool.
Why you won't make me?